You will learn how to recover deleted files in Google Drive in just few clicks. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser, and here I'm going to use Google Chrome for this. Once your browser opens, visit drive.google.com and log in if you are not logged in automatically. Alright, you can see the web link here. Once you're here, click on bin. This will show you files that are deleted. It says items in the bin will be deleted forever after 30 days. Okay, so it stays here for 30 days. Once it's more than 30 days, it should be deleted. So if your file is still within that grace range, you see it here, and then click on these three dots here and select restore. All right, this will be placed back in the my drive section. So look at it here. That's the one I restored now. So that is how you recover the file. But if it's more than the grace period, you cannot do anything about it. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.